Cardmakers Personal Shopper for February 2018. Well, of course, it's just full of lots of goodies. My goodness, look at all of this. There are papers. There are actually 16 papers. I'm going to show you some of them individually. There are Dazzles. There are embossed holographic paper. Look at that with all of the gears and things on them. There's also something else that you're not going to be able to see well. This is embossed. It's got a flurry of birds. Really pretty. Wait till you see the card. It's absolutely gorgeous. We also have some die-cut little Easter eggs, perfect timing, and also a die-cut holographic poinsettia. Now we have all kinds of ribbons. We have an extra little gift card. We have these fun hello cards, ID tags. They are self-adhesive. And of course, the 20 cards and envelopes the 10 cards and envelopes. The newsletter is going to put all of this together for you as our designers have done. And I'm about to show you every single one of these 10 unique cards, well, plus the gift cards. So let me show you what you get. Now, every month you will get the product to make a shaped card. This is what it looks like this month. Isn't that pretty? The baker's twine is perfect. With the butterfly lifting up, really pretty. Now, how it comes to you is like this. So all you'll do is take your card, fold it on the score line, glue this on top, keeping it right against the fold, put this on the inside, and simply cut it out. Then you can add the embellishments as you choose. And of course, we always have a made by me tag. So this one is picked for you by, that you can put on the back, sign your name, and it just makes it even more personal. So every month a shaped card. Every month an engineered card. And look at this one. I showed you the embossed holographic. That's at the bottom of it. This is an engineered center step card. And look what happens. That little Martian peeks up to say hello and happy birthday. You can see how that's going on the side. And hope your birthday is rad. Well, of course, that's what all space aliens say. Party programming in process, and this will stand upright. And there's also an envelope. So this is going to come with several papers. This is one of them. Now, the card shape is this outside line, just right around there. It's a gray line, and you could cut that out if you wanted to, or just position it over your blank card. And then it also tells you that you're going to cut on the straight black lines. So that one's going to get cut, that one, this one, and this one. Now the blue and the red lines indicate what kind of fold. And it tells you right up here. The black is the cut line, mountain fold is red, and valley fold is blue. Mountain fold is going to look like that, a valley fold is going to look like that. That makes sense, huh? Then all the other pieces, so this becomes your pattern, so you may want to keep that. And then these pieces will be cut out to add to your card. Oh, so darlings, oh, so fun. As I said, every week, every month, you're going to get an engineer card. Then we have some others. Now, you saw the Dazzles. Look how easy this is. The paper is perfectly designed to fill in underneath the Dazzles. How pretty is that? Painted by is what the Made by Me tag. Let your dreams take flight. And then on the inside, thinking of you today. Isn't that just lovely? And if you want to, you can always change the greeting because there are other words on there. Here's another card using those same Dazzles. Isn't that fun with those kind of paisley shapes on the paisley paper? There's also an envelope design, and these are the papers that are going to come your way now to hold those butterflies. Again, the artwork is done, so you can place the Dazzle on top. And here's the other one. Just cut them out, overlap them, and you are good to go. Just so easy. Every month, the papers are designed exclusively for the club, so you're not going to find them anywhere else. What to do with Easter? Well, how about this? There are our 2 die-cut pieces, and again, look how easy our graphic team has made this. So there's that center area. There's the Made by Me tag. And you can change the greeting if you want to. Here's an egg that would fit over there, should you want to do that, although Happy Easter really seems appropriate. And here is the inside paper right there, just to finish that. Very, very fun. And let me see, now what are we going to do with that vellum that was embossed for us? Well, isn't this pretty? Just a very subtle, very lovely card. And there we have, wishing you a blessed Easter. Generally, when there's a holiday, we give you 2 cards of that holiday. So we've done a beautiful, lovely one and kind of a cutesy one. And here is the paper that makes it all work. Isn't that just stunning? Now, how about these 4 tags? Well, now what can we do with those? Well, again, our designers have fixed it for us. Hey, how are things? And this is what we call a blank card. So every month you're going to get a blank card to just do with as you wish. It's going to have a large area for you to write. Here is the congrats. Isn't that pretty? Love the colors. And on the inside, wishing you a beautiful forever. Well, that's nice. I don't think I've ever been wished a beautiful forever. And we also have paper to cover the flap of the envelope. Celebrate the season. There's our Christmas card every month, an engineered card, a shaped card, and a Christmas card, and then we vary the other themes. Always we have birthday for masculine and feminine, and the other ideas rotate. And here is our masculine birthday, Happy B-Day, and we've got a camera on the front, hoping you have a picture-perfect day. Very, very nice. And here is our little gift card with just a little hello on it. So as you can see, every single month, Cardmakers is chock full of creativity, packed with product, and all put together for you in this newsletter. If you'd like to join us, we'd love to have you. Go to paperwishes.com. Over on the right-hand side, look at monthly kits, and click on it, and you can see Cardmakers, scrapbooking, cutting dies, stamps, all sorts of wonderful kits. Again, we'd love to have you join us.